So that's got to be.
Just stick it in there.
Well, you want them to touch. Okay, there they go. Actually, you got to touch them.
How long do you have to microwave them for?
Oh, I'd say maybe do like a minute and then
I'm gonna do it for 5 minutes.
we can stop.
5 minutes.
There you go. I'm taking the people on the right.
I'm taking the one on the left.
Oh, okay.
You can't even tell what's what. Here they go. There they go. Touch swords.
It's hard to see it.
Oh, sometimes they don't always go the way you want them to.
Look how fat they are.
Woo!
Ew. Keep going, keep going.
You want me to blow them up?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. That the people on the right won. His stick is touching the other peep.
Oh.
We got him. That's a clear-cut peep victory. Oh my God! Look how fast they blow back up again. We're fighting peeps.
Oh, you're blowing them up?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. The guy on the right's killing him.
Oh, they're fighting.
They look like Jabba the Hutt.
Let's see somebody eat one now. Ugh.
Oh my God.
Isn't that gross?
Our microwave is so disgusting.
Oh, you
Peep sword fights. Yeah.
They just look so dead.
Poor little things. Oh, now we're getting the smell. Mmm. Look at the hole in left where the
don't
toothpick went in.
The other one's just all the way off to the side.
It's awesome, isn't it? I told you
Oh my
guys.
God.
It's great, man.
Look at their eyes.
I know, the eyes are creepy.
Now they look like owls.
And see, because of where you put the toothpick in, it looks like they've been stabbing each other.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know who came up with that, but that's funny.